If it will rain, the match will be cancelled. Incorrect. If it rains, the match will be cancelled. Why? Because in a first conditional sentence, you know that conditional sentences, types of conditional sentences, there are four types of conditional sentences. Let me recall you. First is that is zero condition, and you know that conditional sentences are divided, each conditional sentence is divided into two parts, two clauses. First is dependent or independent, right? Two clauses, dependent clause or independent clause. If clause is dependent clause, and another clause is independent clause. So zero, in zero conditional, zero type conditional sentence has structure I'm talking about. So the structure of zero conditional sentence is that each clauses of simple present tense. Example, if you water the plant, it grows. So you water. Water is verb here. So that's a simple present tense. Will be followed by another simple present tense. It grows. That is called zero condition or zero conditional sentence. Zero conditional or zero conditional sentence. Second type is called first conditional sentence, and the structure is if clause is simple present and will be followed by either will or shall or can or may. If you, example, if you study hard, you study, right? You will secure good marks. That is called open condition. First condition is called open condition or open conditional, right? Open condition means here consequence, that's a condition and consequence. So condition is this: if you work hard, then consequence is open because still it is, ball is in your court, you can't do, you can study. Then third type is called second condition and or second conditional. Second conditional sentence is that structure is if you worked hard, work becomes worked is simple past, simple present in for first conditional, second conditional simple past, will be followed by either would or should or could or might. If you worked hard, you could secure good marks. That is the example of second conditional. Now third conditional. Third conditional is that is imagination, and that is structure is little different. That is first if clause is structured with the head and will be followed by either would have, could have, should have, might have. So these are very important because structure of conditional sentences are different. So please repeat it again and again. Now come to the problem here. That's a first condition. That's a if it will rain, the match will be cancelled. No, it's not all in both the clauses will. What the correct is, if it rains, that's a simple present, the match will be cancelled, right? So it is followed by will. Logic is, in a first conditional sentence, the if clause should be in simple present. We have seen that if it rains, it is simple present tense, while the main clause is in future tense, then it will be, so the match will be cancelled, it's a future, right? So that is future tense, or I gave you will, shall, or can or may. It is followed by simple present tense is followed by according to situation. You can take, you can change the verb, but four options are there: either will or shall or can or may. Let us see another example. Another example is if you study hard, you will pass the exam, right? So this is called first condition is open condition because consequence is still in your hand. So please keep in mind and please read all four types of conditional sentences which are oftenly asked in exam.